Open the box, remove each part of the device from the box and place them on the desktop. First install the battery. There is a locking handle and anti-detachment button at the bottom of the main device. Align the battery with the bottom of the device, gently insert it until you hear a click. Then press down the locking handle. Then install the base stand. Align the mounting holes of the base stand with the hose at the bottom of the battery. Then tighten the base stand screws. Next, install the RTK section. Align the bottom of the RTK module with the limiting holes at the top of the RTK bracket and tighten the RTK fixing knob. Connect the ATK module to the device's main unit with the LiMo cable. Note the red dot on the LiMo cable corresponds to the red dot on the connector port. Do not force plug or unplug. When removing the device, first disconnect the LiMo cable from the RTK module. Then loosen the RTK fixing knob and remove the RTK module. Next, remove the base stand. Unscrew the base stand, screws and pull out the base stand, flip open the locking handle. Press the anti-detachment button and pull the battery up towards you.